So something and this is kind of like a first look teaser is, and if for those who were at AVEVA World, there was a display that demonstrated this, but AVEVA has a kind of we'll call it a light offering of our MES database called MES Edge. And so this uses the core components of the existing AVEVA MES database and middleware in conjunction with AVEVA Edge, right? One of our SCADA offerings. And really the Edge component is providing the visualization and the historization, as well as the communication to and from those devices down on the control system layer. And the merging of these two kind of solutions provides kind of an out-of-the-box MES Edge offering that allows users to get started with a MES system without having to invest in the large, capital costs that are required with a typical MES system, right? If you want to start small, or maybe your operation is already just small, this MES Edge offering really allows you to get in at a lower commercial, bar. And the nice thing is because it's the same MES database, as you grow or as your application grows, and maybe you grow out of needing to use this MES Edge offering, you can reuse a lot of the visualization as well as the entire MES database that you've already configured with that model-driven MES that I talked about previously. So there's a migration path if you have started out with MES Edge and maybe have grown, based on, facility size, you've added lines, whatever the case may be, you can grow with the initial investment that you put in if you choose to start out with MES Edge.